Mmm. Mmm. I'm gonna make some, guys. Some Callolo. I got the Callolo. 2 cans of Callolo, guys. Callolo, and I'm gonna mix it with. Put some tomato in there. I get at the store. Some tomato on the store, guys, and I got some thyme. Put some Callolo. Yeah. And I got my saltfish right here in the pot soaking. So Callolo and saltfish right there. Yeah, soaking. So I'm gonna put it on the fire to boil because I need the salt to boil out because it's salty. So you gotta boil saltfish with the salt. And I got my all-purpose flour. So reason I have my all-purpose flour, I'm gonna make saltfish fritters. Yeah. Back home, that's how we do it, guys. So pour the flour in here. And when the saltfish cook, I break it up, put some in the flour with some skillet. I get my skillet. I get my skillet. Skillet is right here. Yeah. My skillet is right here, guys. So I cut this up and put some in the flour with the saltfish. It just smells great, baby. Wait until Daddy Cliffie cook everything. Our saltfish finished boil up. See? So I'm gonna strain the water off, put some cold water in. Let it cool down. First, I'm gonna put some of this in my fritters. Yeah. My fritters. I'm getting my saltfish. This is a saltfish, guys. So I'm gonna break it up and pour it in the flour. So we'll call it saltfish fritters. Yeah. Then I want to stir him up. Yeah, stir him up. Like that. This is my Callolo for my Callolo. Got my Callolo, guys. Pour it in there. Like that. And then stir him up. Stir him up. Then I got my saltfish. Saltfish right here again. Put it in there. Stir him up again. This is Callolo and saltfish. And I have saltfish fritters over there. Yeah. Looking good, guys. So my ackee, my Callolo and saltfish. So it look Callolo and saltfish. Yeah. Yes, it's about Callolo and saltfish. I got my all-purpose seasoning. Drop it in there too. And I got a season. Make it taste really good, you know? that. Then you stir him up. Stir him up. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, yeah. Little darling. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Yeah. This is how Cliffie make Callolo and saltfish, guys. How Cliffie do it. Yeah. Now I'm going to put a cover on him. Cover him. And simmer down. Simmer down. You hear what I say. Simmer down. Alright. So now, make my fritters. So I got pour water. That's all we need. Yeah. More water. I want it to be soft. Yeah. I want it to be soft, guys. Yeah. So I need more water. Yeah. It's getting soft. Yeah. So yeah, mix them up like that. So mix them up. Like that. Yeah. That's how you want it. This is how it looks, guys. Jamaican saltfish fritters. Yeah. This is it, guys. This is it. Come take 1 scoop down. Let's scoop down. One more scoop down. Yeah. Wait until you fry. Woo! Look at that, guys. Man, color look good. Yeah. Yeah. So now I'm turn them off. Turn off the Callolo. Then focus on my fritters. Woo. Turn it like that. When it comes to Callolo, saltfish. Yeah. Look good, guys. What?
Big fritters.
Yeah.
I haven't seen them that thick. I've never seen them that thick before.
Yeah, baby. Now I can show you guys how my saltfish fritters look. This is how it look, guys. Yeah, man. Saltfish fritters. Looking good. It's amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, man. So it look. I'm gonna try it, guys. When everything done, and you guys see. Yeah, man. Cliffie is here cooking up, guys. So right now, show you guys my fritters. This is how it look. This is all of my fritters, guys. This is all of it, guys. When I finish frying them, this is how it look. Golden brown. And I have some plantains going on. I got some plantain, fried plantains. Yeah, I got some fried plantain going on right here. Yeah. Yeah. Saltfish fritters. Yeah, and I'm a Callolo and saltfish there. I'm a plantain. So I'm gonna try it, guys. I'm gonna try my saltfish fritters. Oh! Good. I'm gonna try with the saltfish because I spoon. Welcome back to Cliffie Love to Eat, guys. So I'm saying today is another day. I hope everybody is okay. Big up to all the subscribers. Peace and love to everybody out there. So I'm saying, yeah, man, all my family. Peace and love. Big up myself. Yeah, man. So right now, guys, I have something new for you. I'm eating some while I'm live. I got some saltfish fritters over here. Yeah, homemade saltfish fritters, Jamaican saltfish fritters. Yeah, I have the recipe how I prepare it, so you guys will see it in the video. And also my Callolo and saltfish, and my plantain. And I got some avocado over here. So. Yeah, man, what the time is, what the time is. The time is to eat. The time is to eat. Come eat with Cliffie, eat with Cliffie. Everybody come eat with Cliffie. Yeah, man, that was set. So let's get down. So let me grab my saltfish fritters. Put it right here. Another one right here. Let me grab my, put this up more. Grab my Callolo over here. Yeah. I'll use a spoon. Callolo. Callolo look good, guys. Callolo look good. Yeah, we call it greens back home. Yeah, Callolo greens. Yeah. For real, man. I I got my plantain. Plantain. I have to have my plantain on the side, guys. Plantain is good. So this is my culture food, and I'm proud of my food, guys. I love my food. So let this down. That's good. Saltfish fritters. I got saltfish in here. So I do. It is good. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna save some for my wife and Nana. Oh my God. Wow. It's good. Yeah. Wow. It's so delicious, guys. Delicious. Real. I want you guys to try it. Yeah. Good. And the avocado with it is brilliant. Yeah. Tastes really good with the avocado. Yeah. So I just want to tell everybody that if you don't get your Yaman shirt as yet, guys, let's go on Yaman Vibes. Yaman. YamanVibes.com. Get a t-shirt. Genuine shirt, guys. You're gonna love it. I have all different color size can fit you guys, so don't worry about the size. You know? If you got it. Go on there with the shirt. Yeah. It's not expensive, guys. Good price, huh? It's good. Wow. It's amazing. It's amazing. Woo. Woo. Go. It's awesome. Come take a bite, somebody. Come on. Come take a bite. This food is good, guys. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Yeah. Let's get it, Cliffie. Let's get it. Mmm. Woo. Guys, when I was in Jamaica, I used to cook. Look about saltfish fritters a lot. Man, I miss it. Mm-mm. I remember when there was nothing in the house to eat when I was growing up. And the only thing there was some flour and some saltfish. Boy, when I get down to the kitchen, make that saltfish fritters. That was dinner. Mm-hmm. That was dinner, guys. Woo! Yeah, you can eat this fritters with egg, fried egg, boiled egg, and eat with ackee and saltfish and redderin. Remember redderin? Yeah, fish redderin. I should eat that a lot too. Eat with your fritters. Go. And right now, I'll see you guys on another video. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, comment, and let Cliffie know. You know what I'm saying? This is Cliffie Love to Eat. Follow Cliffie. All the way, guys. Cliffie love you. Peace and love. May God bless you. Keep you. Keep his hands upon you and cover you guys in every way and be blessed. Yeah, and don't forget the Yaman shirt. Be blessed. Yeah, man. God wants us to be blessed in every area of our life, you know. So just keep serving God, keep believing in Him, keep trusting in Him, have faith in Him, and it will come true for you. You know what I'm saying? Cliffie said that. So peace and love.